Welcome to Tool Zone. We've curated a brilliant mix of clips where seasoned pros handle their tools like artists. With unbelievable accuracy and control, watch the magic unfold as perfection takes shape before your eyes. Skating on a perfectly clear, mirror-like frozen lake isn't just a treat, it's pure magic. It feels like gliding over an endless abyss, and the whole experience is nothing short of breathtaking. This guy must have a gift. Tiny yellow chicks are flocking to him like he's their long-lost relative. Maybe he's whispering some secret chicken language, or just has really good energy. Sometimes it's best to just stay quiet and take it all in. Like they say, 1,000 words couldn't say more. A cosmic level artist uses only sunlight to etch a tree image onto wood. Incredible! Who knew a raven could make the perfect firewood assistant? It seems like it's earning a cozy seat by the fire this winter. When true masters get involved, even pouring a floor becomes an art form. Every measurement is precise, colors flow together perfectly, and the result looks more like interior design magic than simple flooring. Pure visual satisfaction. When a person and a machine work in harmony, even steel seems to soften and yield to their will. Every bend, every precise strike radiates strength, as though raw matter itself bows before the art of craftsmanship. When colossal cranes and loaders move together in sync, it feels like a choreography of giants. Every motion is precise, every shift deliberate, a mesmerizing ballet of steel and strength. This chef and their pots are clearly in sync. Speed, skill, and pure mastery. One look at their cooking, and suddenly dieting doesn't seem all that important anymore. Watching the welding process as each layer is applied is truly mesmerizing and satisfying. quick look at how various dairy products are made. His wall art skills are seriously impressive. You can tell he's got plenty of experience under his belt. Great job, kid. There's real talent there. Got cracks in the asphalt? No need to rip everything up. This clever crack sealing method saves time and restores the surface beautifully. Watching knitted pieces come together on this specialized machine is truly mesmerizing. The accuracy, the craftsmanship, every move is worth watching. This automatic pallet jack works like a silent ninja, lifting and gliding with precision. With a helper like that, even the cargo seems eager to get to work. Don't let his age fool you. His welding skills are so sharp that even veteran welders are watching with silent admiration. That golden, fluffy pancake is almost hypnotic. You can't look away. One like for the chef, and another for making us all hungry. Behind every masterpiece lies real elbow grease, sweat, grit, and maybe a few blisters. But one look at the final product and it all makes sense, worth every ounce of effort. A man demonstrated a clever method of stripping bark from a wooden board. Simple, yet effective. Wood brought back to life instantly. A flawless restoration. Hard to believe, but even a regular cleaning brush can give off a luxurious look. This craftsman truly knows his trade. Watching him install the floor is a pleasure, and you can be sure his work is top-notch. Working roadside with heavy machinery isn't for the faint-hearted, but for seasoned professionals, even the toughest jobs become routine. With precision and teamwork, they turn chaos into craftsmanship. Sudden shifts in temperature can lead to dramatic, almost explosive reactions. That satisfying crackle reminded me of crunchy cookies. What does it make you think of? The trick is learning to find joy in repetitive tasks. Once you do, the job becomes much easier. When crafting shoes, shaping the sole just right is one of the key steps. Even beat-up cars deserve a second chance at life. You'd be surprised how many steps it takes for a decorative piece to go from raw material to the striking detail that catches your eye. Seeing the entire process makes it clear. Every stage is a small masterpiece of craftsmanship. Sheep are sheared to collect wool in a careful and efficient process. A little girl behind the wheel of a giant truck. No fear, just pure joy. Makes you really think, why are so many grown-ups still terrified of parallel parking? Woodworking might seem tough, but the right tool turns any challenge into a satisfying experience. It's all about skill, precision, and enjoying the craftsmanship. That's a cut only high-quality gear can deliver. With the right tools, the craftsman breezes through the work. The rest is just a matter of skill.